Universal Car Autos brings you the latest car reviews, future model updates, expert insights, and complete vehicle specs from around the world. In this video, we explore the 2025 Renault Captur, a compact crossover that has earned its reputation for offering versatility, style, and cutting-edge technology in a small and practical package. With the latest 2025 update, Renault enhances the Captur with a refreshed design, upgraded features, and improved efficiency to remain a strong contender in the urban SUV segment. The exterior design of the 2025 Captur has evolved with a sharper and more modern appearance. The front grille has been redesigned with a sleeker layout and is now framed by updated LED headlights featuring a new signature lighting pattern that gives the car a bold and recognizable look. The bumpers have been slightly reworked to add a more athletic profile, while the new alloy wheel options and vibrant color choices, including dual-tone combinations, give buyers more customization options. The Captur continues to be compact in size, making it ideal for city driving, yet it still provides an elevated driving position and the visual appeal of a full-size SUV. Powering the 2025 Captur are multiple engine options depending on the market, including petrol, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid variants. The E-Tech hybrid setup is one of the highlights, combining a 1.6-liter petrol engine with two electric motors and a battery pack to deliver around 145 horsepower. It offers smooth performance with excellent fuel efficiency, especially in urban environments where electric-only driving is maximized. There is also a plug-in hybrid variant for those who want to enjoy zero-emission driving for short trips with the flexibility of a petrol engine for longer journeys. For drivers preferring traditional petrol options, Renault offers a turbocharged 1.0-liter or 1.3-liter engine with outputs ranging from 90 to 140 horsepower. Gearbox choices include a 6-speed manual and a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, depending on the engine. Step inside the 2025 Captur and you're greeted by a cabin that has received notable updates in design and materials. The dashboard now features a new central touchscreen that measures up to 10.4 inches in higher trims, running the latest version of Renault's multimedia system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available, along with navigation, voice control, and connected services. The digital driver's display has also been updated, offering a customizable and intuitive interface. Interior quality is high, with soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and new upholstery options including recycled fabrics and eco-focused trims. Space and practicality are strong points in the Captur. Despite its compact footprint, the cabin is roomy enough for 4 adults to sit comfortably, and the rear bench slides forward or backward to prioritize either passenger legroom or luggage space. The boot offers up to 536 liters of space with the seats moved forward, making it one of the largest in its class. Fold the rear seats and it opens up even more versatility for larger items or weekend travel gear. Safety and driver assistance features are also comprehensive in the 2025 Renault Captur. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear parking sensors. Higher trims offer adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, and highway and traffic jam assist. These systems help provide peace of mind and reduce driver fatigue, especially in dense traffic or long-distance driving. The 2025 Renault Captur continues to be an appealing choice for those who want a compact crossover that blends efficient performance, modern technology, and stylish design. Its broad range of powertrains, customizable features, and family-friendly practicality make it a smart pick for drivers across different life